Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the update contact via Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the updating the contacts in Zoho CRM. Okay, so let's get the update contact by ID. So here we have the function. Let's use this. Okay, so here we have a contact ID. Let's copy this. Here we have the code, so let's comment this. So here let's comment this, and here we have the code. Okay, so very easy, very simple. So get access token. So I have already created a function for getting the access token, right? So already coming from the previous videos. So here we have the update data. So you have to create an object with the data. Contact ID from the Zoho CRM. Okay, so I'm going to take the contact ID from the Zoho CRM. So here we have the contact ID. So pull it out with this ID. Okay, so here I'm going to add this contact ID. Okay, so I'm going to paste it over there. The contact ID that is here. Fine. After this id, what we have to do, we have to create that object with id, with email, phone, and the description. I'm going to change it, right? So next we have the api that is put crm v2 contacts. Okay, then we have to send the updated object. Okay, in the headers we have to pass the access token. After this, we are going to log this result. If something goes wrong, we are getting the error that is updating the record. Okay. Then we are going to pass the contact ID in the update method and call that method. Okay. Let's save it and run it. Okay. So here we have this node lead. So contact updated. Let's have a look. This is the record. Let's reload it. And here we have, you can see that this is email anjali updated at the rate example.com, because here we have the object with this, and the phone number, phone is also updated. This is 912. Okay, and after that we have a description. So here we have the description updated via contact via Node.js. So here you can see that. So this is how you can update the contacts in Zoho CRM via ID. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.